Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Today in my kitchen, I am gonna make a rendition of chocolate cream cheese muffins. I'm going to use some of my spring cupcake cups. Cute, right? Anyway, I will post a picture underneath this vlog of the finished product. So if you catch this video, just go to my Facebook page, Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real, and there will be pictures posted below the Facebook post, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna do mine just a little bit different. I'm gonna add a little twist to mine, and I'm gonna add a teaspoon of strawberry jam in the middle of mine. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so in one bowl, we need to mix the dry ingredients, which are, let's see, 2/3 cup, no wait, sorry, let me start over. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're gonna put that together over here. And I'm gonna tilt this down so y'all can see. Okay, there's 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now to that, I'm gonna add some baking soda, 2 teaspoons, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm gonna set that to the side. Okay, now, to that, I'm also gonna add 1/2 cup of cocoa. Let me grab that, so I totally forgot to put that out. Here we go. All right, 1/2 cup of cocoa. This is a 1/4 cup measurement, so I'm gonna do 2 of these to make a 1/2 cup. Okay, I'm gonna set that to the side. So in this bowl, I'm gonna mix together 1/2 cup of butter at room temperature. I'm also gonna add 2/3 cup of brown sugar and 1 egg. This is a 1/3 cup measurement, so I'm gonna do 2 of these. Okay, to that, I'm gonna add my 1 egg. And I'm gonna add, let me see, 1 egg. Oh, I'm gonna add my 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste. Now, it calls for vanilla extract, which is fine if that's what you got. I like using the vanilla bean paste when I'm baking. It just gives it a richer flavor. Okay, to that, I'm gonna just blend this. I'm gonna add my dry mixture a little at a time. It smells wonderful. Okay, this is good and thick. to the side. In my other bowl, I'm gonna mix the package of room temperature cream cheese, 8 ounces. Okay, come on. A half a cup of granulated white sugar. And 1 large egg. Okay, now I'm gonna mix that in just a minute. I'm gonna add to this, I was missing one ingredient, I couldn't figure it out, sour cream. I'm gonna add a half a cup, let's see, what is it? 2/3 a cup of sour cream to this mixture, the chocolate mixture. Set that to the side. Now I'm gonna mix, let me just rinse these. I'm going into the same dish. Let me just rinse them off a little bit. They've got a little bit of chocolate on them, that won't matter. Okay, I'm gonna mix the sour cream, the cream cheese mixture, cream cheese and egg and sugar. Okay, now, now I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to load that up in the muffin cup. And then I'm going to put them into a 400-degree oven. And I'm going to bake them for 16 to 18 minutes. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of strawberry jam. You could use raspberry jam. Okay. Now, a couple of white ones as well. Okay. And there we have it. Okay, now, loading this up. I am going to use my scooper, and I'm gonna put into each one 2 scoops of each. The chocolate, I'm gonna try to get it side by side here, and then I'm gonna use a scoop of the cream cheese mixture. Now, for my take on this, I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of, I have homemade strawberry jam, but you don't have to have homemade. I just just think this will make a good combo and it'll look really pretty when you bite into it. Of strawberry jam. And that is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to bake these 16 to 18 minutes on 400, and I'll show you a picture underneath this vlog of the finished product. So stay tuned and we'll be back. See ya.